It's like, what the heck is that?
Yeah, can I see the camera? Wait. Yeah, can I see
What she threw, what the keeper threw into him, what we call an enrichment item. You'll see after he gets it out, something, and it's going to be something.
What is that?
He really likes. Yeah, he has to work for it. He has to get it out first. It's wrapped in this towel. He is the cub. Yeah, he's the youngest one. He's two and a half. Sean.
Silly Tyshawn. He's ripping it apart.
Oh wait, there's stuff.
What this is, it's called a panda popsicle or a fruit sickle. Now one of the things that we feed pandas other than bamboo and children is apples, and this is frozen apple juice. You might see there that it looks like it's a piece of apple in there, so it's frozen apple juice with apple slices. So it's like frozen drink cup. Take the shape of a drink cup. So,